This queue starts with a beautifully figured bird's eye maple nose piece, its natural shimmer setting the stage for a bold 4-point design. Rising from the nose are 4 ebony points, each framed with vivid purple, turquoise, green, white veneers that add a unique splash of color while keeping a refined, balanced look. The ebony tail piece anchors the queue with deep contrast, accented by black and white checkered rings that tie the design together from end to end. Both the butt cap and nose joint are finished in crisp white, giving the queue a clean, classic silhouette. A white Irish linen wrap with green speckles complements the veneer colors and adds a fresh, distinctive touch without overpowering the woodwork. This queue comes with 2 pro-tapered maple shafts, each fitted with matching ring work for a cohesive, professional finish. A queue that blends colorful character with traditional craftsmanship, eye-catching, elegant, and built to perform.